international magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today, we have Mr. Devendra Verma from Premier Energies. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, can you please enlighten us about the Premier Energies?
So Premier Energies has been in the industry for almost 3 decades. We are offering solar solutions since 1995, pioneer in various technologies. Like for example, Premier was the first one to launch the M10 DCR cell in the country, and we were the first one to manufacture that in India. So currently, what our focus is, we are expanding ourselves in the market, predominantly in the residential segment, which is kind of growing now. So with this, what we are looking at is growth in the sector, and to address that, we are making our modules available even through the distribution network. So that's something which is new with Premier, which we have done this year.
That's great, sir. So, can you let us know about the product launch and the plan for this year?
So we had recently launched N-type TOPCon modules. That's currently in non-DCR segment. By the year end, we are coming up with our own DCR N-type TOPCon cell in-house. So we'll be making the DCR N-type TOPCon module available within our own premises.
Okay, that's great, sir. So I guess you launched one of the product at the time of REI. So can you enlighten us about that too?
So N-type is something which was launched during REI, and that's something which we are promoting now. In N-type, we had launched glass to glass and glass to backsheet. So that's something which is in demand. We have started offering glass to glass N-type with 575 watt peak plus in the market.
That kind of growth you are seeing in this upcoming residential sector?
So with our Prime Minister's new initiative, we are seeing a huge demand coming up from residential segment, specifically the 1 crore household, which he is having a vision to really make sure that solar energy is being provided to them. I think that's something which will bring a lot of growth in the sector, and that's one reason why we are seeing a huge demand coming up for DCR, and that's one big strength which Premier has because of our 2 gigawatt cell line manufacturing.
That's great, sir. So any roadmap which you are following for the same?
So again, for reaching out to the end customers, we are trying to build up our network, which is either through the distributors or integrators across the country. So we're making our modules available in all states across the country, and we are ensuring that the DCR modules will be made available 24/7. So that's the plan that we have in terms of manufacturing as well as maintaining the stocks in our warehouses.
That's great, sir. That's really a good idea. And lots of success from my side to Premier. And sir, any feedback you can share us for EQ?
I think we're doing quite well. The kind of information that we get from EQ, and in fact our integrators also, they come up with a lot of information through the EQ itself, which gives actually some information even to the end customers. So that's something which is actually helping the industry as well. So keep doing that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the time, and lots of success to you as well as your company. Thank you so much.